So now we are going to represent root 5 on a number line, but this time we'll make some difference. What kind of difference? In previous video we have taken 3 centimeter as one unit. Over here now I will take 4 centimeter as one unit. So on our number line 1 centimeter is equals to actual 4 centimeter. This will represent 1. The 8 is our 2, 12 is our 3, 16 is our 4. Okay, this scale will help us to represent each number on our number line for the same distance. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. For each 4 centimeter our 1 centimeter will there. This is called scale. Right? So now we don't want scale for a short period of time, so we're gonna put it back. So root 5 is obviously greater than root 4, and therefore root 5 must be greater than 2. Root 4 is nothing but 2. Okay, so with the help of this calculation we can take 2 as one side. So this is our origin, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So root 5 greater than, just like in previous video, root 5 is greater than root 4 and less than root 9. Root 9 means 3, root 4 means 2, so 2 is less than root 5, but root 5 is also less than 3. That means that root 5 must be resides in between 2 and 3. As we know that root 2 is greater than 1 but less than 2, so root 2 was on in between 1 and 2. Now root 5 is in between 2 and 3. This is just the explanation of how to choose the side, the base of a triangle, right? As we know that with the help of Pythagoras theorem we are gonna draw the root 5 or root 2 or root 3 or root 6 on a number line. Okay, so the base is set, the length of the base is root 2 or 2, sorry. So let us say this A, this is O. This is our first side, that is OA. Now you can calculate that the distance of AB, what should be the distance of AB? 1 unit. Why? Because root 4 plus root 1 will give us root 5. So 2 is nothing but root 4. This must be 1 unit, so that we can draw root 5. Okay, so again we need this scale. Which will help us to draw one unit of 4 centimeter. 1 unit of 4 centimeter. Let us draw this second side. Now I don't want this scale anymore, so let us draw the hypo of this triangle, that is, and let us give the name of this side B. So these are the three sides of right angle triangle: OA, AB and OB. The distance of OA is 2 centimeter, that is root 4. The distance of AB is 1 unit. So what should be the distance of OB? Root 5. How? Let us prove it. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, the right angle triangle OAB will give us OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. So what is OA square? OA root 4 square plus AB square, that is 1, root 4 square is 4, plus 1 square is always 1, will give us 5, that is OB square but we want OB, so we have to remove this square. If we remove this square, we have to provide root over here, so OB is root 5. OB is root 5. So again, what we have to do? We have to put this compass on origin and adjust the length exactly to this side OB, just like that. Just set the point of your compass to the origin, adjust the length of your compass to exactly this side, that is OB, that is root 5, that is hypo, and then draw the arc. That's it. This point is root 5. Again, let me summarize the step of how to find root 5 and how to represent root 5 on a number line. So in my previous video, that is how to represent root 3 or root 2 on a number line, I have taken a scale as 3 centimeter as 1 unit, but I want to show you that it is not compulsory to take 3 centimeter as 1 unit for all the time. So over here I have taken 4 centimeter as 1 unit and draw a number line 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. After that, root 5. So we have to think that where must root 5 resides on a number line. So root 4 is obviously less than root 5. So what is root 4? Root 4 is nothing but 2. So root 5 is greater than root 4, but it is less than root 9. Root 9 is 3. So root 5 must be in between 2 and 3. Just like this. Root 5 must be in between 2 and 3. So the biggest confusion for all the students is always how to set the base of a triangle. Over here I have taken base as 2 centimeter. No 2 centimeter. I have taken base as root 4. Yes, root 4 is obviously 2, but to understand this thing properly, you have to take root 4 in your mind while taking base, the length of this base. So root 4 and 1 will give us root 5. How? That is with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Triangle OAB, the Pythagoras theorem. What Pythagoras theorem will say? OB square, that is hypotenuse square. You can find hypotenuse square with the help of two sides. OA square plus AB square. Here OA, the length of O and A is root 4. So root 4 the square plus AB square, 1's square. Root 4 square is 4. 1 square is 1. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. It will give us OB square. Obviously we want OB. So if we want to remove this square from this side, you have to provide a root, square root to another side. So OB is equals to root 5. So this length is obviously root 5. Now you have to take compass, set it to the origin, adjust the length of the compass to exactly this hypo, and then draw the arc on a number line. It will give you square root of 5, root 5 on this number line. Okay, if you like this video, please share, press like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.